Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Mains previous year questions on the chapter Indefinite Integrals. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them in the subsequent videos. And also in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comments so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions on every chapter will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here we have to find the integral of dx by fifth root of x minus 1 whole power 4 to x plus 3 whole power 6. That is equal to a into alpha x minus 1 by beta x plus 3 whole power b plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Then we have to find the value of alpha plus beta plus 20 ab. Now here we can take suppose x plus 3 by x minus 1 equals to t. So then you can say that x plus 3, that will be equal to tx minus t. So I can say x into t plus t minus 1, tx minus x, that is equal to 3 plus t. So it means x will be equal to 3 plus t by t minus 1. Now if we find dx by dt, so that will be t minus 1 into d by dt of this, that is 1, minus 3 plus t into d by dt of this, that is also 1 by t minus 1 whole square. So therefore dx by dt, that will be equal to t minus 1 minus 3 minus t by t minus 1 whole square. So therefore we can say that dx will be equal to minus 4 by t minus 1 whole square into dt. And then this thing x minus 1 whole power 4 into x plus 3 whole power 6, that can be written as x minus 1 whole power 5 into x plus 3 whole power 5 into x plus 3 by x minus 1, which means therefore the integral, that is I, let's call this as I. So the integral I, that would be integral dx by fifth root of x minus 1 whole power 5 x minus 1 whole power 5 to x plus 3 whole power 5 into x plus 3 into x by x by 1. So this will be integral. So this is minus 4 dt by t minus 1 whole square divided by, this is, we can say this is x minus 1 into x plus 3 into, this is t power 1 by 5. T power 1 by 5, since this is t, and this in place of x we can write 3 plus t by t minus 1. This will be minus 4 dt by t minus 1 whole square divided by, this is t power 1 by 5 into, this is t plus t by t plus 3 by t minus 1 into t plus 3 by t minus 1 plus 3. So now this will be integral minus 4 dt by t power 1 by 5 into t minus 1 whole square into this will be t plus 3 minus t plus 1 by t minus 1 into this will be t plus 3 plus 3t minus 3 minus okay plus 3t minus 3 plus 3 plus 3t minus 3 by t minus 1. So these two will get cancelled. So then we will get and the integral that is minus 4 integral dt by t power 1 by 5 into this 2 will cancel out and this 3 will cancel out. So this is into 4 into this is 4t. This is 4 will cancel. So this is minus integral dt by minus 1 by 4 integral dt by t power 1 by 5 plus 1, that is 6 by 5. So this you can write, this is minus 1 by 4 into this is t power actually minus 6 by 5. So t power minus 6 by 5 plus 1 by minus 6 by 5 plus 1 plus c. So this will be minus 6 by 5. So this is minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1 by 5. So this is 5 by 4. Since minus minus will cancel. This is minus 1 by 5. So 5 by 4 into uh, t power minus 1 by 5 plus c. So which is 5 by 4 into t 1 by t power 1 by t power 1 by 5 plus c. So therefore I can say that the integral is uh, 5 by 4 into 1 by t. 1 by t will be x minus 1 by x plus 3 whole power 1 by 5 whole power 1 by 5 plus c. So if we compare this with this, so therefore we get that the value of a, that is 5 by 4, b capital B is 1 by 5, and alpha is 1, and beta is also 1. So therefore alpha plus beta, that is 1 plus 1 plus 20 into a, that is 5 by 4 into 1 by 5, that is 5 5 cancel, 4 5 is 20, so 5 plus 2, that is 7. So 7 is the answer. Then here it is told, this is the integral cosec power 5 cosec power 5x into dx, that is equal to alpha cot x to cosec x to cosec square x plus 3 by 2 plus beta log of mod tan x by 2 plus c. This x should not be there actually. Log base e, it should be log base e tan x by 2. C, where alpha and beta are real, and c is the constant of integration, then the value of 8 into alpha plus beta will be how much, that we have to find out. So now this integral I, that is cosec uh, integral cosec power 5x dx, so that we can say, so you can write integral cosec power 3x into cosec square x dx. That's why we know d by dx of cot x, that is equal to minus cosec square x. Therefore, integral cosec square x dx, that will be equal to minus cot x plus c. So now here if we take cosec okay, here we can do integration by parts. Therefore, I can say the integral I, that will be equal to cosec, since we know that integral u v dx, that is equal to u integral v dx minus integral du by dx integral v dx whole integral dx. This is the formula to use for integration by parts. So if I take this one is the first function, this one is the second function. So integral cosec square x dx, then minus this will be integral d by dx of cosec cube x, by dx of cosec cube x, and integral cosec square x dx, then whole integral dx. So this will be cosec cube x, integral cosec square x, that is minus cot x, minus d by dx of this. So that is 3 cosec square x into 3 cosec square x into d by dx of cosec x. So d by dx of cosec x, that is minus cosec x cot x, minus cosec x cot x into integral cosec square x, that is minus cot x, whole integral now dx. So now therefore the integral I, that is equal to minus cot x into cosec cube x minus this is 3 into integral cosec cube x into cot square x dx. Now cot square x we know that we can write cosec square x minus 1, since why cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. So similarly, so therefore the integral I can be written as minus cot x into cosec square x, sorry, cosec cube x, then minus 3 into integral, this is cosec cube x into cot square x can be written as cosec square x minus 1 into dx. So this will be equal to minus cot x into cosec cube x minus 3 into this will be integral cosec power 5x minus integral cosec cube x to dx. Now this we can write the integral I. So therefore the integral I can be written as minus cot x into cosec cube x minus 3i and plus 3 into integral cosec cube x dx. Now this one again we can take it as I1. Now therefore I1, let's say, that is integral cosec cube x dx. So this we can write, this is integral cosec x into cosec square x dx. Now here again we can apply integration by parts. So that is cosec x. Suppose cosec x is the first function, then integral cosec square x dx, then minus integral d by dx of cosec x, that is minus cosec x cot x into integral cosec square x dx whole integral dx. Now therefore I can say I1 that is equal to minus, so integral cosec square x is minus cot x, so minus cot x into cosec x minus this is integral, this is cosec x into cot x, and this is also minus cot x, so minus minus plus, and this is also cot square x dx. Now this again we can write cosec square x minus 1. So therefore it implies that I1 can be written as minus cot x into cosec x, then minus integral cosec cube x minus cosec x. Since by cot square x we can write it as cosec square x minus 1. This is integral dx and this is integral dx. Now this one is again I1. Therefore I can say 2I1 that is equal to minus cot x into cosec x, then plus integral cosec x dx. Now integral cosec x dx, how to find? Now therefore integral cosec x dx, how to find? So now is actually 1 by sine x. So I can write integral 1 by 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 dx. So now this I can write by cos x by 2, and then this will be cos square x by 2. So this I can write be 1 by 2 integral secant square x by 2 dx by this half also I can take it inside, and this is tan x by 2. So if I take tan x by 2 as t, so this will become dt then. If tan x by 2, if I take it as t, then 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 dx, that is equal to dt. This is integral dt by t, so this is equal to ln t or log base e t, so where t is mod of tan x by 2 plus c. So now therefore we can say this is your 2I1, so I1 will be equal to half of this, so this is minus half of cot x to cosec x, then and plus half of log base e mod tan x by 2 plus some constant c1 suppose. So therefore, so I can say this integral I that is equal to minus, this is actually 4I can say, so 4I that is minus cot x into cosec cube x and plus 3I1. So therefore I equal to minus 1 by 4 cot x into cosec cube x plus 3 by 4 times I1. So this will be 3 by 4 I1. So this will, the final answer that will be minus 1 by 4 into cot x into cosec cube x, and then uh, minus 3 by 8 cot x is minus half into 3 by 4, that is minus 3 by 8 cot x into cosec x, then 3 by 4 of this, so plus 3 by 8 into log base e mod tan x by 2 plus then c. So cot x into cosec x, we have to take it as common. So we can write it cot x into cosec x, we have to take it as common, plus 3 by 2 will be there. So I can take minus 1 by 4 cot x into cosec x, and then it will come cosec square x plus 3 by 2 and plus 3 by 8 log base e mod tan x by 2 plus c. So this is I, which is integral cos power 5x dx. Now therefore this one is alpha, so I can say alpha is equal to minus 1 by 4, and beta is equal to 3 by 8. is equal to 3 by 8. Therefore, 8 of alpha plus beta you have to find. So therefore, 8 into alpha plus beta. So that is 8 into minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So which is 8 into, since LCM is 8 minus 2 plus 3. So that is 1 by 8 into 8. That is 1. So 1 is the answer. So So here it is told that let the function f of x be integral dx by 3 plus 4x square into over 3 4 minus 3x square, where mod x is less than or equal to 2 by root 3. Since we here 3x square should be always obviously less than or equal to 4, should be less than 4 actually. So then x square that should be less than 4 by 3. So x square is less than 4 by 3. So mod x should be less than 2 by root 3. So f of 0 equals to 0. Here it is told that f of 0 equal to 0 and f of 1 equals to 1 by alpha beta tan inverse of alpha by beta. So then, and alpha comma beta is more than 0, then alpha square plus beta square is equal to how much? That we have to find. Okay, so then here we can put x equals to 1 by t. Then obviously dx will be equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Then f of x that will be equal to integral minus 1 by t square dt divided by 3 plus 4 by t square into root over 4 minus 3 by t square. So here we can say this will be minus of integral dt by 3t square plus 4 into root over 4t square minus 3 to t. This t will go up here. Then this will be equal to, so we have to integrate this. So let's call this as I. So here, suppose if we take 4t square minus 3 as z, then you can say 4 into 2t dt, that will be equal to dz. So it means t dt that will be equal to dz by 8. So therefore the integral I that can be written as integral 1 minus 1 by 8 dz by, which is so t square that will be z plus 3 by 4, 3 into z plus 3 by 4 plus 4, 3 into z plus 3 by 4 by 4 into root over z. Suppose if you take this as z square, then this will be z dz. This will be z dz, 2z dz actually. So 2 will cancel. So this will be z dz by 4. So this we can write 1 by 4 z dz, and this will be z. Root over z square is z. This is z square plus 3 by 4 plus 4. So z and z will get cancelled. So this will come minus 1 by 4 integral dz by 3 into z square plus 3 by 4 plus 4. Now, therefore, the integral I that can be written as integral dz by minus is there outside. So this will be 3 into z square plus 3 plus 4 4 this is 16. So this will be, I can write minus integral dz by 3z square plus 25. So from here 1 by 3 I can take as common. So this will be minus 1 by 3 integral dz by z square plus 25 by 3. So this is 5 by root 3 whole square. So this will be equal to minus 1 by 3 tan inverse of z by 5 by root 3. Hence it is root 3 z by 5. So it is minus 1 by 3 tan inverse of root 3 z by 5. Now z is actually root over 40 square plus 3. So therefore the function f of x, that is minus 1 by 3 tan inverse of root 3 by 5 root 3 by 5 into root 3 by 5 into z. So z will be root over 40 square minus 3 root over 4t square. T is equal to 1 by x. So t square will be 1 by x square, 4 by x square square plus 3. T square will be 1 by x square uh, minus 3. So this is f of x. So now therefore and plus c obviously, plus c, which is the integration constant. So now f of 0, it is told that is 0. So f of 0, to take 0 here, 1 by 0, this will be infinity. So tan inverse infinity, that is pi by 2 uh, plus c, that is equal to 0. Equal to 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, c will be equal to pi by 6. There is something wrong here. Hmm, there is something wrong here. We know that integral tan inverse integral dx by x square plus a square, that is given as 1 by a tan inverse x by a. But here we didn't do this 1 by a. So this will be 1 by 3 into this, actually it is minus 1 by 3 integral dz by z square plus 5 by root 3 whole square. So this is 1 by a. So I will do 1 by 5 by root 3. This is 5 root 3. It will be 5 root 3. It will be 5 root 3. So this is 5 root 3 into pi by 2 plus c. So c will be equal to pi by 10 root 3. So therefore, f of x, we can write it as, this is pi by 10 root 3 minus 1 by 5 root 3 tan inverse of root 3 by 5 into root over 4 by x square minus 3. This we can write. Now from here 1 by 5 root 3, if I take as common, this will be equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of root 3 by 5 into root over 4 by x square minus 3. Now uh, pi by 2 minus tan inverse y, we know that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse y, that is equal to cot inverse y. So which is equal to 1 by 5 root 3 into cot inverse of root 3 by 5 root over 4 by x square minus 3. So therefore now cot inverse y, that is same as tan inverse of 1 by y. So now therefore this f of x, which is coming cot in, which is coming 1 by 5 root 3 cot inverse of root 3 by 5 root over 4 minus 3x square by x square, I can write 4 minus 3x square by x square. Now this we can write it as 1 by 5 root 3 into tan inverse of 5x by root over 4 3s are 12 minus 9x square. This we can write. So now therefore f of 1, now f of 1, that will be 1 by 5 root 3 into tan inverse of 5 by root over 12 minus 9, which is 3. So this is 1 by 5 root 3 tan inverse of 5 by root 3 by root 3. So which is given as equal to 1 by alpha beta into tan inverse of alpha by beta. Alpha square plus beta square value we have to find out. So now this one, therefore we can say alpha beta, that is equal to 5 root 3, and alpha by beta, that is equal to 5 by root 3. Now if we multiply them, then we will get alpha square, that will be equal to 5 into 5, which is 25. And if we divide, okay, or so if we divide them, it's alpha beta by beta, then we will get beta square, which is equal to 5 root 3 by 5 by root 3. So which is equal to 3. So therefore alpha square plus beta square, that is equal to 25 plus 3, that is 28. So 28 is the answer. Then here it is told that let I of x, that is equal to root over integral root over x plus 7 by x square dx. no, x plus 7 by x dx, and I of 9, that is 12 plus 7 log 7 base e, and I of 1 equal to alpha plus 7 log of 1 plus 2 root 2, then alpha power 4 is how much? Alpha power 4 equal to, we have to find out. Now here we can take, let's suppose x plus 7 equal to t square. Plus 7, x is suppose t square. So then x will be equal to t square minus 7. And then dx, that will be equal to 2t dt. Now, or we can take x equal to t square. So then obviously x plus 7, that will be equal to t square plus 7. And dx, that will be equal to 2t dt. So this we can write. So integral, that is root over t square plus 7 by root over t square, that is t, to 2t dt. Now tt will cancel, so then 2 integral root over t square plus root 7 square I can write into dt. Now we know that integral of a square plus x square, integral of a square plus x square dx, that is given as x by 2 root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2, a square by 2 log of a square by 2 log of log base e of x plus root over x square plus x square plus c. So here also this you can write 2 into x square by 2. So this will be x square, sorry, it's t square. So this will be t square by 2. So this is t by 2. So t into root over t square plus 7 plus 7 by 2. So into 2. So 7 log of base e mod of t plus root over t square plus 7 plus c. This will come. Now, which is, so we took x as t square. X is t square. So t will be equal to root x. So this is root x into root over x plus 7 plus 7 log of base e mod of root x plus mod of x plus 7 plus c. This is I of x. Now it is told I of 9. So x we will put it as 9. So root 9 into root over 9 plus 7 plus 7 into log base e root of 9 plus root over 9 plus 7 plus c. So this will be 9. So 3 into 6 root over 16, that is 4, plus 7 into log base e root over 9, that is 3 plus 4 plus c. So it means that now I of 9, that is told, this is equal to 12 plus 7 log base e 7. So therefore c will be equal to 0. C equal to 0. So now therefore now I of x, that will be obviously equal to root over x into x plus 7 plus 7 log base e 7 log base e mod of root x plus root over x plus 7 plus no, c is 0, so we don't have to write it. So now therefore I of 1, now I of 1, that will be root over 1 into 1 plus 7 plus 7 into log base e root over 1 plus root over 1 plus 7. So this will be equal to root 8. Root 8 is obviously 2 root 2 plus 7 into log base e plus log base e mod of 1 plus root 8, that is 2 root 2. Now Therefore, this is equal to alpha plus 7 log base e 1 plus 2 root 2. So therefore, alpha is equal to 2 root 2, 2 root 2, or I can say root 8. So now therefore alpha power 4, that will be root 8 power 4, which is equal to 8 square, which is 64. So 64 is the answer. Then here it is told the integral of root over sec 2x minus 1 dx, that is equal to this. Then beta minus alpha, that will be equal to how much? So now the thing is, we can first convert into cos 2x. So we can say integral, let's say this is integral I. So I will be equal to integral root over 1 minus cos 2x by cos 2x dx. Now 1 minus cos 2x, I can say this is equal to sine 2 sine square x. And cos 2x again, we can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. So this will be integral of, so I can say this will be square root of this. So root 2 sine x dx by root over 2 cos square x minus 1. So this will be, now root 2 I can take outside, or suppose here we make some substitution, which is 2 cos root 2 cos x, let root 2 cos x equal to t. So therefore I can say minus root 2 sine x, that is sine x dx, that is equal to dt. So this will be equal to integral, this is minus dt by root over t square minus 1. So now we know integral dx by root over x square minus a square, that is given as x by 2 root over x square minus a square. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, this will be actually uh, integral dx by root over x dy by y root over y square minus a square, that will be obviously log of mod y plus root over y square minus a square plus c. So now, so this formula we have to use here. So this is minus of log mod t plus root over t square minus 1 plus c. This is the integral I. So now therefore integral I we can also write minus log of t. T is this. So which is mod of root 2 cos x root 2 cos x plus root over 2 cos square x minus 1 plus c. Where c is a constant. Now this we can write it as, since minus log of log base e now here we can write 1 by 2 and then square it. Then we can write 1 by 2 log base e. If we square it, then it will be, now this is cos 2x This is root 2 cos x plus root cos 2x whole square plus c. Now if we square it, then we will get minus half log base e 2 cos square x plus cos 2x plus 2 root 2 cos x to root cos 2x plus c. Now therefore the integral I can be written as minus half of log base e. So I can write 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos 2x plus 1. Plus this I can write plus root over cos 2x into the 8 cos square x. 8 cos square x plus c. So this will be minus half of log base e. This will be again cos 2x. So this will be 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus this is root over 4 into cos 2x into this is 2 cos square x, which I can write 1 plus cos 2x. So now from here, 2 I can take as common outside, then I can write minus half of log base e cos 2x plus half plus square root of cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x. Then this plus ln 2 plus log 2. So this will be minus half log base e2 plus c. So this is also another constant, I can say. Constant. So therefore, here it is told that the integral is nothing but alpha into log base e cos 2x plus half plus root over cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x plus constant. So if we compare these two, then therefore we get alpha equal to minus half. Alpha equal to minus half, and here okay, here 1 and 1 by beta, that is equal to 2. 1 by beta is 2, and so beta is equal to half. So now therefore beta minus alpha, that we have to find. So beta is equal to half minus half, which is half plus half, that is 1. So 1 is the answer. 1 is the correct answer. But then here it is told that I have to integrate this integral of sin x dx by sin cube x plus cos cube x. Now in this, let's call this as integral I, and this is equal to alpha this. So then where c is the constant of integration, then the value of 18 into alpha plus beta plus gamma square is how much? So let us we call this integral as I. So then I will be equal to integral of sin x dx by sin cube x plus cos cube x So then suppose if we divide the numerator and the denominator by cos cube x, so then we'll get integral sine x by cos x to 1 by cos square x dx by, this will be tan cube x plus 1. And since y cos x, cos 1 by cos x is equal to sec x, and sin x by cos x is tan x. So this I can write integral tan x into secant square x dx by tan cube x plus 1. So now here, if we take sec tan x as t, so then this will be integral t dt. So then we can say secant square x dx, that will be equal to dt. So this is t dt by, this will be t cube plus 1. Now t cube plus 1, we can say this would be equal to t minus t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1. Therefore, this t by t cube plus 1, I can say this is equal to actually t by t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1. And then this will be equal to a by t plus 1, a by t plus 1 plus I can say b, uh, this is equal to b into t plus c Okay, this will be b into the derivative of this d by dt of t square minus 2t plus 1, that is equal to 2t minus 1. So this will be b into 2t minus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 plus c by t square minus t plus 1. So then we have to compare and find the values of a, b, and c. Now therefore we can say a into t square minus t plus 1 plus b into 2t minus 1 into t plus 1 plus c into t plus 1 into t plus 1, that is equal to t. So if so then if we compare, then we can say that the coefficient of t square is 0 here. So you can say the coefficient of t square, you can say this is a plus 2b, since why this will be 2t square a plus 2b, then this will be plus minus a coefficient of t, that is minus a, plus this is 2t minus t, so plus b, then plus c into t, this is t square, and plus this is a, then minus b plus c, that is equal to t. So if so on comparing we can say that comparing we can say a plus 2b, that is equal to 0, and minus a plus b plus c that is equal to 1 and a minus b plus c that is equal to 0. So then we have to find out the values of a, b and c. So then we can say this is a equal to minus 2b. We can say this is 2b plus b. So it is 3b plus c that is equal to 1. So then c equal to 1 minus 3b. So then a is minus 2b minus b plus c that is equal to c equal to 0. So c will be equal to 3b. So therefore 3b that is equal to 1 minus 3b. So therefore 6b that is equal to 1. Therefore b will be equal to 1 by 6. And so a will be equal to minus 1 by 3. So c will be equal to 1 by 2. Now therefore so therefore we can say that this I will be equal to the integral of d dt by okay, is a is minus 1 by 3 to t plus 1 dt and plus b which is 1 by 6 integral 1 by 6 into 2t minus 1 dt by uh, t square minus t plus 1 and plus integral c that is half so 1 by 2 t square minus t plus 1 dt. So therefore now the integral this will be obviously minus 1 by t log base e t plus 1 plus this is 1 by 6. If we take z this will be dz. We take this is z, this is equal to dz. Integral dz by z is log basically z. So log base e t square minus t plus 1 plus this will be 1 by 2 integral this we can write dt by this is t minus half whole square and plus root 3 by 2 whole square. So this is equal to tan inverse of okay So now therefore this integral I, that we can write it as minus 1 by 3 log base e mod of 1 plus t plus 1 by 6 log base e mod of 1 minus t plus t square plus half into 1 by a, so 1 by root 3 by 2 into tan inverse of t minus half by root 3 by 2. So this will cancel out. So then we will get minus 1 by 3 log base e 1 plus mod t. Now t is nothing but t is tan x. T is tan x. So we can write 1 plus tan x plus 1 by 6 log base e 1 minus tan x plus tan square x plus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of there plus since 2t, so 2 tan x minus 1 by root 3 plus c obviously. Plus c also should be there. So if we compare, then we get alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3 and beta is equal to 1 by 6 and gamma is equal to 1 by root 3. So therefore we have to find 18 into alpha plus beta plus gamma square. So 18 into alpha, that is minus 1 by 3 plus beta, that is 1 by 6 plus gamma square, that is 1 by 3. So this will cancel. So 6 3 is 18. So the answer is 3. So D is the correct answer. And here it is told we have to find the integral 2 e power x plus 3 e power minus x dx by 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x, and that is equal to 1 by 14 ux plus v log e 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x plus c. So now it means this function, which is 2 e power x plus 3 e power minus x by 4x 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x, that we have to express it as in the form of some a into 4 e power x plus 7 e power x e power minus x plus b into the derivative of this, which is d by dx. Now d by dx of 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x, that will be equal to 4 e power x minus 7 e power minus x. So this will be 4 e power x minus 7 e power minus x by 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x. So then this is the integral. Yes, so then, so therefore, if we compare the coefficients, then we will get, it will be a plus b into 4, okay, a plus b into 4 e power x plus a minus b into 7 e power minus x. That is equal to 2 e power x plus 3 e power minus x. Now, therefore, a plus b into 4 is equal to 2. So that is this is equal to half. And a minus b, that is equal to 3 by 7. So therefore, if we add them, then we get 2a, that is equal to half plus 3 by 7. That is equal to 7 to the 14. So 7 plus 7, 7 to the 14, so 6. So this is 13 by 14. So a will be equal to 13 by 28. Okay, so then if we subtract, so then 2b, that will be equal to half minus 3 by 7. So then we 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So this is 2 3 is 6. So this is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 14. So b will be equal to 1 by 28. So therefore, the integral I, we can write it as integral of a is 13 by 28. 10 by 28 into 4 e power x minus plus 7 e power minus x by 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x into dx plus this is integral b is 1 by 28 into is 4 e power x minus 7 e power minus x by 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x into dx. So now this we can write it. This will be 13 by 28 integral dx plus 1 by 28 integral z dz by z. Since if you take this as z, this will be dz. So then this will be 13 by 28x plus 1 by 28 log base e z. Z means 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x plus c. Now this we can write it 1 by 14 into 13 by 2x plus 1 by 2 log base e 4 e power x plus 7 e power minus x plus c. So therefore, u equals to 13 by 2 and v will be equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, u plus v, that would be equal to 13 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 14 by 2, that is 7. So 7 is the answer. So 7 is the answer. So now here we have to do the integral dx by x plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square. This we can write it as, now this 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square, that can be written as a by x, okay. a by x square plus x plus 1 now the thing is we have to make some substitution. Can take we can take x square plus x plus 1, we can write it as x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Since it is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that will be 1. So this we can write integral dx by x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 4 root 3 by 2 whole square, its whole square. So now if we take x plus half as tan theta, suppose if we take this as root 3 by 2 tan theta, then dx that will be equal to root 3 by 2 secant square theta d theta. This we can write integral root 3 by 2 secant square theta d theta divided by, this is root 3 by 2, so is root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square, we can take it as common, so root 3 by 4 whole power 4 will come outside, into should be tan square theta plus 1. This is secant is whole square. Okay. So this is again secant square theta whole square. So this is actually integral 1 by root 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 into 1 by secant square theta d theta. 1 by secant square theta is cos square theta, and this will be 2 cube, that is 8. So this is 8 by 3 root 3, which will come outside of the integral. Integral cos square theta d theta. Cos square theta d theta. Now cos square theta I can write, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this will be, I can write 4 by 3 root 3 into integral 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Now this will be 4 by 3 root 3 integral d theta, that is equal to theta, plus integral cos 2 theta, integral cos 2 theta, that is sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. Now theta, now from here you can see that root 3 tan theta, that will be equal to 2x plus 1 if we multiply by 2 on both sides. So then tan theta will be equal to 2x plus 1 by root 3, and theta will be tan inverse of that. So therefore the integral that will be equal to 4 by 3 root 3 into tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus 2 by 3 root 3 into sine 2 theta. Now sine 2 theta I can write 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be equal to 2 into tan theta, that is 2x plus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square theta, which is 1 plus 2x by 1 plus 1 plus by root 3 whole square, then plus c. Now this, if we simplify it, then we will get is 4 by 3 root 3 into tan inverse of 2x plus 1, where 2x plus 1 by root 3, plus this is 2 by root 3, so 4 by 3 into 3, 4 by 9 into this is 4 by 3 root 3 into this, okay, this is 4 by 9 into this will be 2x plus 1 by this is 1 plus 4x square plus 1 plus 4x by 3 plus c. So this will be 4 by 3 root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus 3. I can take it here. So this will be 4 by 3 into 2x plus 1 by, so it will be 4x square plus 4x plus 4. Let's see. From here, 4 I can take it outside. So this will be equal to 4 by 3 root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 plus c. So now if we compare these two, then therefore we will get, therefore a equals to 4 by 3 root 3 and b equals to 1 by 3. So therefore 9 into root 3a plus b value that we have to find out. So 9 into root 3a, that will be equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So this is 9 into 5 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So 15 is the answer. So 15 is the answer. So the correct answer is 15.